Blackmagic just released their 8.1 firmware update for their Blackmagic pocket cameras and their higher end professional cameras too. One of the biggest things that comes with this firmware update is the support for vertical video for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your firmware on your Blackmagic pocket cameras. Let's start by going up to the support area. And here we're going to see under latest downloads, there's the 8.1 update. We're going to click on Windows. This little registration screen will pop up. No big deal. We're just going to click download only. Shove it in whatever folder you want. It's going to take a minute to download. That's fine. Once it's done downloading, we're going to go extract all. From here, we're just going to go into the extracted folder and we're just going to install the Blackmagic application. And while we do this, let's go get the camera. Here's our Blackmagic 6K camera. We're gonna have to connect this using the USB Type-C cable. The USB Type-C port is located on the left side of the camera. Let's plug this thing in. It can be a little bit finicky if you have a cage like I do and I'm too lazy to take it out. But here we go, it's all plugged in. Now let's go to the application and get started. Once the application's all finished installing, you're gonna go to the start menu, click on Blackmagic camera setup. Now you're going to turn on your 6K or your 4K, whatever camera you got, and it's going to say update now. It does the check automatically. So you click update now. This will take about 5 minutes. And once it's done, you can unplug your camera and you are good to go. So there you guys go. That's how you update the firmware on your Blackmagic cameras. A little bit of a labored tutorial, I know, but this is for a lot of people who are just getting started with the Blackmagic ecosystem and don't know how to do the firmware updates because every camera manufacturer is just a little bit different. So thank you for sticking with me on this one. I appreciate it. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that sub button, leave a comment, let me know if there's anything I can make for you. Other than that, guys, my name has been Arif. This has been a firmware update guide for Blackmagic cameras, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.